Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's how you cook and bake simple recipes using simple ingredients. Yeah guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Brilliant Kenya. Today we're going to be cooking roasted potatoes. And guys, we're going to be using an oven. And for the other video, I'm going to show you how if you can do it without using an oven, guys. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe and tell a friend, guys. And if you're coming back, thank you all for all your support, guys. Thank you. I appreciate, and may God bless you guys. Let's go straight to our ingredients, guys.